How's it going, everybody? It's Dr. Nick here at Kalkstein Chiropractic, your Baltimore area chiropractor. We're here with Andrew, one of our exercise specialists. He's in today with some upper back and neck tension, discomfort really. He's been spending a lot of time programming our FSP patients' workout programs, so with all that computer work, he's really been hunched up and not in the most favorable position, so he's holding a lot of tension right now. He just got done with other therapies. We dry needled him, we lasered him. He's feeling pretty good, but we're gonna finish off with an adjustment. So here we go, face down first. You're taller, let me raise this up. There you go.
That's the first time I've ever heard him taller. It's not common.
Taller than what it was set at.
Ah.
Andrew here is on his way to being a husband.
Yes.
When's the date?
May 30th,
May 30th.
2020.
Coming up quick.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Where are you guys getting married at?
Having a grace. By the water.
Beautiful spot. So right now, Andrew's holding a lot of tension around his lower portion of his mid-back. I want you to just take a deep breath in. Good. Let it all the way out. And pressure here. Good. There you go. Scoots down just a smidge for me. Yeah, right on top here too. Alright, just take another breath in. Let those shoulders drop all the way. There you go. That was a heavy one.
Yeah, that was good.
Good. Alright, pressure here. I'm going to scoop and roll your head. You just let me do all the work here. Good. I want you to reset that breath. Good. Let that head drop. Good. Same thing right here. Big breath. All the way out. Good. A little bit more lower. There it is. Alright, scooch down just a smidge bit more now. CT on the left there is a little clunky. Pressure here. I'm going to roll you. And then a little push, okay? Let that drop. Good. Same thing. Pressure, let it roll. Alright, I trust you enough. Flip over onto your back without falling off the table. Yes. You got all the colors picked out and everything?
Oh yeah. Yeah, navy blue, and we're doing like champagne color ties, and the bridesmaid will be like an ice blue color.
Classic.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice, man. Very excited.
Gotta get you doing some McKenzie's. You were holding some tension up here. Okay, right side first here. Let that head roll. Good. Same thing right here. Now relax that muscle. There you go. Good.
Sweet.
How you feeling?
Sir? Good.
Good.
Awesome.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave down in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.